So try this Apprentice Mini S2 if you can fly in high rates. So let's fly it for the high rates, and we're gonna do it in air. So you ready switch, put it in a high rates?
No. I want to justify flight.
And it's fly normal, right? You don't need to trim nothing, right? It's glides good. So we gotta do high rates. It's already high rates?
Yeah.
So we are already in a high rates, and then let's do land it quick. All
I don't want to crash it.
okay, just landing it. Go ahead. We're gonna do landing right now. At least we know this one, there's a high rate, in beginner, intermediate, and pro. So let's do landing it. Turn around. It came fast. So let's do landing again. Another attempt. So I repeat, this one is the S2 Mini Apprentice, the brother of STS. Woo! We got the higher rate. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you later. I'm out.